Hello guys, once again good morning from the Sabanatics YouTube channel, and this is your techie muhdsihan. In this channel, in this video, we are planning to show you how to install and use AdBlocker extension in Google Chrome from the Chrome web store. That is very useful while you're watching your videos on your favorite video streaming platforms like Twitch, YouTube. For Malayalis, you can use Manorama Max and Netflix and all those video streaming platforms. So whenever you watch the videos, you always get irritated and annoyed by these pop-up malwares and banners. Through this video, we aim to disable all those ads so that you will get a nice experience while watching your videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our channel in order to get more interesting and cool videos. So let's start. First, type Chrome Web Store in your search engine. You will find chrome.google.com/webstore. You can click that, the first link, which is the safest one. So after you click that, you will find a vast collection of options and apps, extensions, themes, filters, and you can also find various apps like Zoom Schedule and Netflix Party, which are prevalent these days. So what we want is our AdBlock, but you can also see the filters runs offline by Google, and if you want to use these extensions on Android, you can use them too by using the filters. Now we will search AdBlock. You will find only 3 results in the beginning. More extensions. You will find a vast collection, many blockers, AdBlock Plus, but not every of them are good. First, AdBlock for YouTube. It only removes ads from YouTube. Second, AdBlock. It is the best one. It blocks ads from all video streaming platforms and is the best because I have experienced it personally and found out that it blocks all the ads. So click it. Here we can see it enjoys safe and simple experience. It's compatible with my device and it's the #1 best ad blocker with over 60 million users. Just 4 MB. Click Add to Chrome. So it checks whether the source of the file is verified or not. And then it downloads a CRX file, which is the extensions code file. And you can see a pop-up coming there. AdBlock is now installed. Installing AdBlock. Done. So this is the section where they will ask for the payment. Because it's not a payment if you want to donate, because they have contributed a lot to it. If you want to pay, you can do, or else if you don't want to pay, you can just close it. And you can, now we have the time to test whether the AdBlock works or not. I'm opening the YouTube. I'm opening the first video I found on the recommended. 4 hours of ambient study music to concentrate. Okay, now we can see that there are no yellow lights, no ads coming in the startup. This proves that AdBlock has worked. And you can see that 7 ads have been blocked in this video. You can see the number there. You have also many other options like block and on this page, pause on this side, pause on all pages, you don't run on this page. Now we have turned on the AdBlock and see what happens. You see, when we disable the AdBlock, we can see that the ads have started to pop up in the video. Now I have again turned it on and you can see the change that no ads are coming in the video because the ad blocker has filtered out all the ads, and to give a good experience they have contributed a lot. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and